Hi everybody, I signed up for 4 courses at Buy95 to learn from Jordan McKee about how to make money on YouTube. And so once you go sign up for the course, this is what you're gonna see. So basically, because I signed up for 4 courses, so which are YouTube Advanced Masterclass and make money on YouTube without making videos, and cost selling masterclass and Shopify dropshipping made simple. So I almost finished this course, and I watched several videos on this course as well. I finished this course, but all I can say about my experience is really awesome. I mean, very very great. It's definitely worth my investment, and Jordan is available for my questions. You can ask question in the course, and he's gonna reply to you. And what I really like about that is that I get access to these courses lifetime. And he also add a few new videos, time to time. May not be all the time, but he does add new videos, updates. So that's what I like. If you look at it, there's so many different modules. Module 1, introductions, and module 2, create a YouTube and access account. So on your videos average about 5 minutes, 12 minutes. Some of the videos about 16 minutes. uh, he talked about monetization, how to get monetized within 1 month. So which is very very helpful. That's gonna speed your monetization on YouTube, because YouTube usually requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. And he teach us how to do within as short time as possible. And the video format, how to download videos and everything, coming up with a niche. So he also talked about how using editing video SEO, YouTube SEO secrets, how to get subscriber and views as much as possible. I just practically finished this course within within a week or so, because it's so interesting. And and life happens. I haven't finished the other courses yet, but I'm gonna finish them. So I really love the way he teach. So just to give you an overview. So if you click on a video right here, so he's gonna teach the video like this, in person, talk to you, and he also shows his screen how to do that. And you can post basically comment if you have a comment before, have a questions. He replies. You might need to wait a little bit. And Facebook group is also pretty much helpful as well. So I'm very 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 happy with his course. It's worth the investment. Definitely, if he's going to give you a great price for this course, 3 or 4 courses, just take it. It's no brainer at all. I mean, it's very very worth it. I'm so happy about his course. So this is why I'm giving my feedback. I want to share my experience with. I'm gonna finish this course. This YouTube Advanced Masterclass might have some of the videos from this year, but these have more stuff in it, more videos in this course. So yeah, absolutely, I'm very happy about his with him, and his reply, his response as well. So that's what I really like. So yeah, so just go and sign up. Definitely, you're gonna enjoy it. Yep. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.